1. Stay engaged, listen actively and participate in class discussions. 2. Be organized, use a structured format for note-taking, such as headings, subheadings, and bullet points. 3. Capture key information, focus on important concepts, definitions, and examples. 4. Develop your own shorthand, use abbreviations and symbols to write faster without sacrificing understanding. 5. Highlight and underline, mark essential points or key terms for easier review later. 6. Use colors and diagrams, employ visual aids to enhance understanding and memory retention. 7. Review and revise, regularly go over your notes, fill in any gaps, and reinforce your understanding. 8. Summarize and condense, rewrite your notes in a concise and organized manner to reinforce learning. 9. Use mnemonic devices, create mnemonic techniques like acronyms or visual associations to remember complex information. 10. Supplement with additional resources, use textbooks, online articles, and other sources to deepen your understanding. 11. Ask questions, write down any questions that arise during the lecture and seek answers afterward. 12. Compare notes, collaborate with classmates to fill in any missed information or gain different perspectives. 13. Create concept maps or mind maps, visualize connections between ideas and enhance comprehension. 14. Personalize your notes, add your own reflections, insights, and examples to make the content more meaningful to you. 15. Stay consistent, make note-taking a habit and practice regularly to improve your skills over time.